Did you know that something as simple as a glass of water with baking soda can bring incredible benefits to your health? It can relieve heartburn, aid digestion, strengthen the kidneys, improve physical performance, and even contribute to a healthier mouth. And best of all, these benefits are natural, accessible, and can be enjoyed by anyone. But be careful, inappropriate use can bring risks, which is why you need to watch this video until the end. In addition to showing you all the health secrets of baking soda, at the end of the video there is a special surprise for you. So take advantage and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content that could change your life. Baking soda is widely recognized for its ability to quickly relieve burning sensations in the stomach and acid reflux. Many people, especially the elderly, suffer from frequent heartburn due to slower digestion and weakening of the esophageal sphincter, the valve that prevents gastric acid from returning to the esophagus. This problem is even more common among those who consume acidic, fatty, or very spicy foods, which increase the production of acid in the stomach. When there is too much of this acid, it can travel up the esophagus and cause an intense burning sensation in the chest and throat, known as acid reflux. Sodium bicarbonate, as it is an alkaline substance, has the ability to neutralize this acid in a few minutes, providing almost immediate relief. When dissolved in a glass of water and ingested, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid present in the stomach, transforming it into substances that are less aggressive to the body. This reduces the burning sensation and digestive discomfort, also helping to prevent possible inflammation in the esophagus. Furthermore, this solution can reduce excessive gas production, reducing the feeling of bloating and pressure in the abdomen. Despite the benefits, it is essential to be cautious when continually using bicarbonate for this purpose. Excessive consumption can generate a rebound effect, stimulating the stomach to produce even more acid to compensate for neutralization. This can make heartburn symptoms worse in the long term. Furthermore, the excess sodium present in bicarbonate can be harmful for people who have high blood pressure or kidney problems. The best way to use it is in occasional cases, only when discomfort arises. If episodes of heartburn are frequent, the ideal is to see a doctor to assess the cause of the problem and recommend appropriate treatment. The human body is in constant contact with toxins from food, environmental pollution, and the use of medicines. As the years go by, the body may have more difficulty eliminating these substances, overloading the liver and kidneys, the organs responsible for the filtering and waste elimination process. A natural way to help with this internal cleansing is the use of sodium bicarbonate, which helps balance the body's pH and reduces excessive acidity in the blood. Many people use baking soda and lemon juice as a home detox method. This combination is believed to help improve digestion, eliminate impurities from the body, and even strengthen the immune system. Lemon, as it is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, has anti-inflammatory properties that help the body fight free radicals, molecules responsible for premature cellular aging. When combined with bicarbonate, it can enhance the alkalizing effects and improve liver and kidney function. In addition to promoting the elimination of toxins, this solution can also aid digestion and prevent the feeling of fullness after meals. However, it is important to use it with caution, as excess can cause stomach discomfort and alter the natural pH of the stomach, compromising the absorption of essential nutrients. For the elderly, the recommendation is to always talk to a healthcare professional before adopting any new practice, ensuring that consumption is safe and beneficial. Urinary infections are common problems in old age, especially among women. This occurs because, with aging, there is a decrease in the production of hormones that protect the urinary tract, making the region more vulnerable to the proliferation of bacteria. Symptoms include pain when urinating, burning, feeling like the bladder is always full, and in some cases, fever and chills. Baking soda can help alleviate the discomfort caused by these infections, as its alkaline property reduces the acidity of urine, creating a less favorable environment for bacteria to grow. Excessive acidity in urine can increase urinary tract irritation, intensifying pain and burning. By balancing pH, baking soda can ease symptoms and make urination less painful. In addition to ingesting a bicarbonate solution dissolved in water, another alternative to alleviate symptoms is a sitz bath. This method involves adding baking soda to a bowl of warm water and sitting in the solution for a few minutes. This can help soothe irritation in the intimate area and provide temporary relief. It is important to emphasize that sodium bicarbonate is not a substitute for antibiotics or other medical treatments. If symptoms persist for more than 2 days or if there are signs of a more serious infection, such as high fever and lower back pain, it is essential to seek medical attention immediately. The use of bicarbonate can be a temporary solution to alleviate the discomfort, but the urinary infection must be treated appropriately to avoid kidney complications. Over the years, the body goes through a series of natural changes that can reduce physical resistance and muscular strength. For many seniors, simple activities such as walking long distances, climbing stairs, or carrying bags can become more challenging. Sodium bicarbonate can be an ally for those who want to maintain their energy and vitality for longer. During physical exercise, muscles produce lactic acid, a substance that accumulates and causes that feeling of fatigue and muscle pain. Bicarbonate acts as a neutralizer of this acid, helping to reduce muscle fatigue and allowing the body to recover more quickly. This can be especially helpful for seniors who want to maintain an active routine without experiencing excessive discomfort after activities. Additionally, some research suggests that bicarbonate can improve physical performance, increasing resistance and allowing a person to move for longer before feeling tired. This benefit can be enjoyed by those who practice walking, water aerobics, dancing, and other activities aimed at seniors. Despite the benefits, consuming bicarbonate for this purpose should be done in moderation, as high doses can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea and abdominal bloating. The ideal is to always seek medical advice before including this habit in your routine. Staying active is essential for a healthy life, and bicarbonate can be a natural support for those who want to age with more energy and quality of life. Now that you know some of the benefits of sodium bicarbonate, let me ask you, have you ever imagined what your life would be like if you could have more energy, have hassle-free digestion, and take better care of your body without spending almost anything? It sounds too good to be true, but I'm going to show you exactly how it's possible. And what's more, if you really want to transform your health in a simple and hassle-free way, in the first comment below this video, there is an exclusive link with a special surprise for you. Don't miss this opportunity. Click now and discover what I prepared. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, take the opportunity to do so now and not miss any content like this. The kidneys play a fundamental role in the functioning of the body, as they are responsible for filtering the blood, eliminating toxins, metabolic waste, and excess fluids. Over the years, the kidney's ability to carry out this filtration can be reduced, making the body more susceptible to the accumulation of harmful substances. This difficulty can lead to problems such as fluid retention, body swelling, fatigue, high blood pressure, and even the worsening of kidney disease. Sodium bicarbonate can support kidney health by helping to balance blood pH, reducing excessive acidity. Many people who suffer from chronic kidney disease face a problem called metabolic acidosis, which occurs when the kidneys are unable to eliminate excess acid from the body. This condition can accelerate the progression of the disease and further impair kidney function. Bicarbonate can act to neutralize this acid, reducing the burden on the kidneys and helping to maintain a more balanced internal environment. Medical research indicates that the controlled use of sodium bicarbonate can slow the progression of kidney diseases and even improve the quality of life of patients who face problems with this organ. However, it is extremely important that any use of this compound is under the guidance of a doctor, as excessive consumption can lead to an increase in sodium retention in the body, which can be harmful for people with hypertension or heart failure. Each organism has specific needs, and bicarbonate should only be used when it is really necessary and recommended. In addition to the controlled use of bicarbonate, it is essential to adopt healthy habits to keep the kidneys functioning well. Drinking plenty of water, avoiding excessive salt and protein consumption, and maintaining a balanced diet rich in vegetables and fruits can help prevent kidney wear and tear. Keeping your blood pressure under control and undergoing regular medical examinations are also fundamental measures to ensure kidney health over the years. Mouth health is an essential factor for general well-being, but many people do not realize its importance until they begin to experience problems such as cavities, gingivitis, bad breath, or even tooth loss. As we age, the gums tend to become more fragile, saliva production may decrease, and the structure of the teeth may wear out, making the mouth more vulnerable to the accumulation of bacteria and infections. Furthermore, many diseases, such as diabetes and osteoporosis, can directly impact oral health. Sodium bicarbonate can be a great ally in oral hygiene as it has antibacterial properties and helps neutralize acids that wear away tooth enamel. One of the benefits of bicarbonate is its ability to reduce acidity in the mouth, hindering the growth of harmful bacteria responsible for bad breath and the formation of bacterial plaque. It can also help prevent gum inflammation and relieve tooth sensitivity in some people. A practical way to use bicarbonate for oral health is to dissolve it in warm water and swish it around a few times a week. This can help freshen your breath and eliminate bacteria in your mouth and throat. Some people also use baking soda as a natural toothpaste, applying it directly to teeth to remove stains and give them a whiter appearance. However, it is important to be careful, as excessive use can be abrasive and wear away tooth enamel, making them more sensitive and vulnerable to cavities. The ideal is to use it in moderation and always maintain a complete oral hygiene routine, including brushing your teeth with appropriate toothpaste, using dental floss, and regular visits to the dentist. Taking care of mouth health is essential to maintain quality of life and avoid complications that could affect eating, speech, and general well-being. During the coldest months of the year or in periods of sudden temperature changes, it is common for many people to suffer from colds, flu, and respiratory allergies. Over time, the immune system can become less efficient, making the body more vulnerable to infections that cause symptoms such as a blocked nose, runny nose, sore throat, and cough. To alleviate these discomforts naturally, baking soda can be an excellent option. One of the most effective ways to use it for nasal congestion is by preparing a solution of bicarbonate and warm water for inhalation. This procedure can help dissolve excess mucus, making breathing easier and clearing the airways. Another option is to use this solution as a homemade nasal spray to clear your nostrils and reduce irritation caused by allergies and air pollution. For a sore throat, bicarbonate can be used to gargle with warm water. This practice helps reduce inflammation and eliminate microorganisms that may be causing irritation. Additionally, gargling with baking soda can help neutralize acidity in the throat, which can be helpful for people who suffer from acid reflux and often experience irritation in the area. These homemade solutions can be used as a complement to conventional treatments and are a safe alternative for those looking for quick and natural relief. However, if symptoms persist for many days, accompanied by fever or difficulty breathing, it is essential to see a doctor for a more accurate diagnosis. Sodium bicarbonate is an accessible compound with many health benefits, but its use must be done responsibly. Excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects such as bloating, increased blood pressure, imbalances in the body's pH, and even kidney and cardiovascular problems. One of the main points of attention is the high sodium content present in bicarbonate. People who have high blood pressure, heart failure, or kidney disease should avoid excessive consumption, as excess sodium can cause fluid retention and overload the heart and kidneys. Furthermore, continuous use of bicarbonate to treat heartburn may mask more serious digestive problems, such as ulcers or gastritis, which require a proper diagnosis. Before adopting any practice involving sodium bicarbonate, it is essential to talk to a doctor to assess whether its use is safe and suitable for each case. Each organism reacts differently, and what may be beneficial for one person may not be suitable for another. Maintaining healthy habits such as a balanced diet, good hydration, physical activity, and regular medical monitoring are still the best ways to ensure healthy aging and quality of life. Bicarbonate can be a useful supplement for your health, but always in moderation and with knowledge about its effects. Now that you know how a simple glass of water with baking soda can impact your health, how about putting this knowledge into practice? To help you, I created a simple action plan that you can follow over the next few days. Day 1. Take a test. Drink a glass of water with bicarbonate on an empty stomach and observe how your body reacts. Day 2. Use baking soda as a mouthwash and see the difference in your mouth and breath. Day 3. If you experience heartburn or reflux, try taking diluted bicarbonate and see how relief happens. Day 4. If you exercise, do a test and see if it helps you reduce muscle fatigue. Day 5. Try a sitz bath with baking soda and discover how it can help your intimate health. Day 6. If you have a congested nose or sore throat, use baking soda as a nasal solution or gargle. Day 7. Evaluate the results and see which benefits you noticed most in your daily life. Remember, balance is everything. Don't overdo it and always consult a doctor if you have any concerns. Now, if you want a more complete step-by-step guide to improving your health naturally, the first comment below this video has an exclusive link with a special surprise for you. Don't miss this chance. Click now and discover what I prepared. And of course, if you like this content, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and share this video with someone who needs to know. See you in the next video.